Hi, I'm Ashley with Barbecues Galore, and today we'll be talking about the 1867 Sonny fire table. The 1867 brand is exclusive to Barbecues Galore, and their fire tables, as you can see, are very modern and stylish. This fire table emits 65,000 BTUs of heat, making your summer evenings last longer. This fire table is cast from glass fiber reinforced concrete, also known as GFRC, and it is lightweight, durable, and weather resistant. This fire table is available in liquid propane and natural gas and includes all the hoses and fittings, but there is no conversion kits available to switch it back and forth. This table comes with a glass wind guard as well as a protective cover, allowing you to protect your investment for years to come. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, which is only available for manufacturer defects. Come on down to Barbecues Galore to check out our 1867 fire tables as well as other fire tables and make your summer evenings last longer. For more information, go to barbecuesgalore.ca or give us a call. Thanks for watching.